Hi, Sarah.Garland
and Angela.Pitt from Fine & Country Leamington Spa. Today we're here at 16 Ashley Crescent, situated in a quiet cul-de-sac in a much sought-after location off the Myton Road, minutes from the historic centre of Warwick with its array of shops, bars and restaurants.
The property is within easy walking distance to both state and private schools of Myton School and Warwick School, as well as superb local leisure facilities, including St Nicholas Park alongside the River Avon, Warwick Tennis Club and Boat Club and Warwick Castle.
This beautifully designed and extended 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom family home offers contemporary living with a stunning open-plan living, dining and kitchen space with a separate lounge area. Bifold doors lead out onto a generous-sized garden.
It is here in the rear garden where you truly appreciate how special this unique family home is, with unexpected views of the paddock and beyond, giving the property a real country feel.
This mature garden has been really carefully thought out, with raised planting beds and several seating areas, and this fabulous children's play area complete with hobbit house. There is also a bespoke wooden cabin which could be used as a home office, gym or simply for entertaining.
Follow us, let's take a look inside.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tour.
If you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.